Kiharo-ini gia Police Sacco nikuo turacemania na Damian Magu, mwanake wa miaka 15 agicemania rita ria mbere na captain wa timu ya bururi mbitikaine cia CHAN na kirabu gia Kenya Police Abud Omar uria niwe muthaki arorete iguru gukinyaniria kiroto giake mubira-ini wa maguru. Damian ni muthaki na captain wa timu ya Football Excellence, timu na iria ambiriirie guthakira miaka 4 mihituku.
Hiyo inianzia way back when my little cousin brought a ball. At first nilikuwa mnono mbigi, hadi sikuwa job ball ni nini. Fando sasa like akaleta ball. Ilikuwa I think 12-11 hapo. After sasa ikafika 12 ndio sasa nikasema acha ni join an academy nikuje tu shule yetu. After sasa that's where I fell in love with the game.
Ota Abud Omar, Damian ni muthaki wa thutha kioneki giake kinene kiri muthenya umwe ni gukinyaniria ikiro cia guthakira timu nene undu na timu ya bururi Harambee Stars.
My role model is Abud Omar from Kenya. He's the captain, and since I'm also the captain, I just love to see him play so that I learn from him and get to maybe one day I'll play in this pitch. Might never know.
Nikuhitukira kiheo giake na uthaki wa mubira wa maguru, Damian Magu arageire na mweke wa gucagurwo ariwe Mukenya wa mumwe ta ball boy ngucanio ya final ya bitika cia AFCON muthe wa kiumia, undu uria akenereire na njira nene.
It will really help me because I want to go and try to, maybe after the AFCON, I'm hopefully praying that God will help me. At least we get a trial for 1 week or so. They test out our skills and see who can get a scholarship, and with God willing I might pass that scholarship, and that's when my journey will really start.
Wahung'ang'a niwe muciari wa Damian, haha koya mweke gututariria uria thabari no ikoretwe hana.
Both rough and a smooth journey because he's also passionate about church. So imekuanga like my Saturdays inakuanga I drop him at football at 9 a.m. At 1 when I go to pick him, anakula lunch kwa gari because at 2:30 he has to be in the church. Then sasa kukakuja kanisa ikakuja introduce football ya Sunday. So now that made like it is all the weekend is just football. After church he'll go eat and then I go drop him.
Aciari aya ni moete mweke uyu na guikiaritana kuri aciari angi gwitikiria ciana ciao gwikuruhania na mathako ona kana tarada o ciothe na kumarunga niguo makorwo makeiganania na mathomo.
It's always a big challenge for parents to accept their children to join social activities, soccer, basketball, etc. But I would like to encourage parents to try and blend the two, education and social life, because you cannot just pound them with education without these other aspects of life.
Damian aumagarire kiroko kia umuthi ginya mucini munene wa Morocco Rabat kuria kiumia akanyitanira na anake age kuma ituri ciothe cia gitaru kia Africa ngucanio ya final iria ikambia thaa 4 cia utuku gatagati ka Morocco Atlas Lion na Senegal Lions of Teranga. Handu-ini ha metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV ritwa rekwa ni Ng'ang'a Wanyokabi.